Yo, yo. Good morning. How we doing today? Hope you guys are ready to hopefully you guys are ready to make some money. Yeah, I expect a pretty slow day going into FOMC. But how did everybody do yesterday? You guys make money, lose money, take no trades? Let me know in the chat. Yesterday, honestly, the trades that I took were not A+ setups. I got the job done. I made some money, half my goal for the day. The setups, they just weren't really there. I took a denial trade on AMD, took some quick profits, took a Microsoft put, and just, it was a really slow day. And then I traded some equity. I forget what the stock was yesterday. I traded it with Dumpster. Did you see my post in the book Discord about what? The hammers? If so, hammers have always confused me. Let's see if I understand now. Whether it's a hammer, inverted hammer, shooting star, hanging man, regardless of which way. If there's a hammer at the bottom of a downtrend, then that's bullish. If there's a hammer at the top of an uptrend, that's bearish. If there's an inverse hammer at the top of an uptrend, that's bearish. If there's an inverse hammer at the bottom of a downtrend, that's bullish. PayPal just came out with a new buy now, pay later feature. That does not sound good, to be honest. But yeah, the watch list I gave you guys yesterday that thing was banging. So yeah, let's see what we can find today. Again, it's gonna be a weird day. It looks like the shorts did end up covering a little bit yesterday, but they immediately added back on. Let's see. Yep, exactly. Yeah. So let's see. I saw your post about it. Where'd it go? I think you put it in the wrong tab. Yeah, Tesla. So in the book, I talk about how when a stock is overextended from the 5 EMA, 9 times out of 10, it's going to pull back to that 5 EMA before it continues to go back in the opposite direction. So if we move this 21 EMA, and we make it the 5 EMA, where did Tesla go right to? Right to the 5 EMA. So that's typically what happens when the stock is overextended from that 21 or from the 5 EMA, my bad. Again, if you guys haven't read the book, I don't know what's wrong with you. I put so much time and effort into that thing. So if you guys don't have a copy of the book yet, hold on, let me get you a link. Here's a link right here. Good morning, everybody. Again, if you guys could, make sure to click that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. We got FOMC today. So we're going to find the best setups that we can find. And hopefully we can bang out some trades. So I did end up entering USD JPY again. I think the risk to reward here is really good. In that book, I discuss divergence. So if we're looking at the stochastics on USD JPY, what do we see? A divergence. USD JPY is going up in price. Sell signal, lower sell signal, lower sell signal. So I'm gonna stay short. Have pretty high conviction in this trade. If I get stopped out, then I know my risk reward, hopefully a lot. So we'll see. I am not giving the book away for free. I feel insulted that you asked for that. A year of my time is definitely not worth free. Not at all. Anyways, so let's make this watch list today. Hold on, let me go find the priority weekly watch list. Boom. Cool. Start here. Make that a chart. Take off time and sales. Boom. There we go. I also have a Thinkorswim video dropping tomorrow where I'm going to show you my exact setup for everything. It's going to be an updated one. A lot of people have been asking about it. So let's start at the top of the list. AMD. That book is worth a lot more than 50 in my opinion. I put it on the cheap side. If you got the Discord invite, what's it popping up with, David, when you try to join? AMD actually looks pretty good to the upside. I see a nice little rally today. I like that 1 hour squeeze too. Let's see. AMD. Really like that setup. What's it popping up for when you try to join the Discord? What's it say? AMD, Apple. 1 hour squeeze. 134.21. Yeah, a lot of stuff is really overextended. We got that nice 1 hour squeeze. We could see a, again, I don't want to be biased today. We could see a nice little pop. If these squeezes can fire up, I would be very interested. Hold on. Yeah, if you purchase the book, go to where the purchase email, it's going to say thank you. When you click on thank you, there's a text document that'll invite you to the Discord. Apple, Amazon. Another, oh, that looks pretty good. Double bottom on Amazon. One hour squeeze looking to release. Amazon. Doesn't look too bad. Baba already filled the gap down. I don't care about that. What about Coin? Coin done laid off so many workers and the stock went up. Like what? All we need is for this thing to be below 45 and in between 40 by this Friday. Yeah, go to the email. The Discord invite is in the original email from when you purchased the book. Click the big old thank you button and there's a text document that'll invite you. You just gotta copy and paste the Discord invite to your browser and it should say join it. But coin not interested in. CRM already filled the gap. Gold has a lot of bearish flow, so I'm gonna stay away from that. Moderna. I'm really close to that 115 price target. Not too interested in that. Microsoft. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. We got to run it up to 150 likes if you guys want the watch list. Let's see. Microsoft. Got back up above that low. 1 hour squeeze. Let's see. Microsoft. Boom. I would like to see these squeezes fire up today. There's a lot of them. Netflix don't care about. Nvidia. Another 1 hour squeeze. This over yesterday's high. That would be beautiful. Nvidia. I love this setup. SQ don't care about. Tesla. Could watch Tesla both ways. Cool. All right, so that is the priority weekly watch list that we just flipped through. We got AMD, Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, Nvidia. Those are my favorites. Tons of 1 hour squeezes. Alrighty, so now let's go on over to the squeezer. See what we got on there. We looked at Apple, we looked at AMD, we looked at Amazon, we looked at Coin, Chevron, oil's getting clapped. Kind of expected a pullback on that. Meta. Another 1 hour squeeze. Could watch that both ways. Meta. I think 0.75. 0.75 has been the one that's already been what's the word? The market's already expecting 0.75. Let's see, MU don't care about. Looked at Nvidia, PayPal, QQQ. How we looking here? It looks like that 1 hour squeeze is currently firing. So it's above yesterday's high, above pre-market high. I'd be interested. Kind of just consolidating right here. Again, really overextended from that 5 EMA. Could see a rally today. Gonna prioritize buying QQQ. There's a squeeze on SPY. I think it said a 30-minute squeeze. Hold on. Honestly, I don't think it's really bearish because we kind of need the rate hikes at this point. If you guys paid attention to CPI, that number was not good. We need rate hikes. Actually, SPY went right to that 127 extension yesterday. 370.5. So I think we might bounce a little bit. That 1 hour squeeze currently firing. 377.5. SPY. Honestly, I think 100 basis points would probably be even better if they did that, but we'll see. All right, there's a watch list today. AMD, Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, Nvidia, Tesla, Meta, QQQ, and SPY. So I'm going to pay attention to Uncle's levels, but obviously this is going to be really important. The fact that it went right to the 127.2% extension and then bounced. So SPY, rebound right off the 127.2% extension. Will be trading Savages levels. Boom. That's beautiful. That's why Fibonacci extensions are so important to know how to use. You can use it to the downside as well. Pivot low, pivot high. Price target literally went 9 cents from it and rebounded. Yeah, that's what I feel like. I actually have a podcast that I'm dropping today where my friend Nick explains the whole basis point thing because I'm not too familiar with how rate hikes affect the market. He has a better understanding of it than me. So I'm going to drop that today at like 12 o'clock. If you guys go on Spotify, type in Trading in Your 9 to 5, that's my podcast. But, so do want to watch SPY, obviously watch QQQ. I think Nvidia is going to be my favorite setup today. So Nvidia above yesterday's high, 160.66. This is the yearly low, it's above that. Got some support there, we're above that. Possible gap fill there. Person's pivots. Got a nice scalper that we can get here, 161.34. Boom. Yeah, I do have a podcast. I really don't promote it too much. I also haven't done it in like a month because I've been finishing my book. But yeah, go on Spotify, type in Trading in Your 9 to 5. We're above that level. Yeah, Nvidia could have a nice move today. Is it near any SMAs? Nope. Whoops. There you go. Weekly, not near anything. Monthly, not near anything. Abigo does not have liquidity. Therefore, I do not trade it. I mean, Nvidia, I'm very interested above yesterday's high. Very, very interested. Nvidia, very interested over yesterday's high. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. It would be greatly, greatly appreciated. We got 166 people in here and only 70 likes. Remember, if you guys want the watch list in the chat, gotta run it up to 150 likes. That's a rule. I talk about the SMAs in the book. Gotta cop the book, my man. If you're interested over yesterday's high at 160.66 for calls. Price target equal 161.34, 163.12. $165.46. Probably move more than that, but let's look at that Qualcomm. See how it affected the stock. Nice little move up. Probably in a couple months. I gotta talk to the publisher. I gotta like submit all this stuff about it. But there's Nvidia. Absolutely love that setup. Go to AMD. We get like a 20-cent pump. Be more interested above yesterday's high, but it's not a bad setup. It's just Nvidia has more room. AMD, Apple. Savage's levels are just support and resistance. That's all they are. Let's see, good old Apple. I have no idea where that level came from. This will gap down overnight. Really, I wouldn't be interested unless it cracked below the lows. Apple might find its way onto the list today. I typically hate trading Apple, and there's a good reason behind it, but this could find its way onto the list. Amazon. $103.81. Could do the 104 calls. Amazon love. Again, make sure you guys are clicking the like button. We got 172 people and only 80 likes. And then again, in case you guys didn't know, my new trading ebook has officially dropped. If you guys would like to pick yourself up a copy, there's the link right there. But I do like Amazon. 103.81. 1 hour squeeze. So Amazon, Microsoft. $247.7. Could look at the 250 calls. Again, 1 hour squeeze. Getting a little rounding bottom on the 1 hour. Take it up to 248.58. 250, 252. $37. Wouldn't be interested in puts unless it got all the way down there. I think Microsoft's gonna find its way onto the list. Tesla. That is not what I wanted. Let's see. I probably won't trade Tesla, but if you're gonna trade Tesla, look for the break above 670 for calls or below 658 for puts. It does have a 1 hour squeeze, so it doesn't look bad. But I'm personally not going to watch it just because I'm still on small account duty. What was Facebook's high yesterday? Right there. I mean, you get, that's not enough room. It's really above yesterday's high that I'd be interested in. Could you scalp that? Yeah, but I'd be more interested above yesterday's high. Take it higher. Cool. So let's narrow this bad boy. Go back to AMD. Process of elimination. We got a video on the list, so we don't really have to watch AMD. Apple, if you want, you can watch AMD over that pre-market high. Apple, I kind of low-key like Apple today, even though I typically don't trade it. I will say it looks pretty dang good. Amazon might add that later. I think Microsoft, it might be Apple and Microsoft that finds its way onto the list. Let's see. Microsoft, not near any daily SMAs, not near any weekly SMAs. Monthly, nope. Cool. So, Microsoft. Overall today, I mean, the stocks are looking bullish. I could be 1000% wrong. The market could tank right off the open. If that's the case, I'm just going to look for intraday setups, but I'm just basing the pre-market off of what I'm currently seeing. Again, could be completely 100% wrong. But Microsoft, 1 hour squeeze. Interested in calls above 247.7. 247.75. Price target equal 248.58, 250, 252.37. There we go. I had to sneeze, my bad. Get the Uncle Special today and the Nephew Special. I've officially named something the Nephew Special. If you guys traded it last time with me, you know what it is. Hopefully we can see it again today. Anyways, there's Microsoft. Somebody might want to shoot me now because I think Apple's going onto the list today. I greatly apologize. I think I'm gonna do it. Actually, it looks like Apple might have hit. No, where's its extension? It's got some room till the extension. The Nephew Special is typically what happens going into FOMC is the stock will squeeze. Don't you do it, Apple. Hold on, I think I actually have a screenshot of the last Nephew Special. Hold on. Anybody? Hold on. Yeah, who knows the date of the last FOMC? I will find this screenshot. I take screenshots of all my winning trades. Or I should say most of my winning trades. Let's see, FOMC, where are you at? May 4th, May 4th. May the 4th be with you. There's May 6th. May 5th. There it is. Okay, here is the Nephew Special. So here is SPY going into FOMC, right? It starts squeezing. Wait, is this even FOMC? It should be. Yeah, 2 o'clock. Yeah. So going into FOMC, typically we're gonna squeeze. Once we get everything drops, that's when we do the uncle special. This has happened the last 3 or 4 times. It then goes into consolidation, going into power hour, and typically, again, you're still going to be squeezing. What I'm looking for is a break above that high a day for that squeeze to release, and then we catch the move. Uncle, nephew. So that's my little nephew special. Boom. But yeah, hopefully we can do that again today. Apple, I swear to God, if you do it, I'll be pissed. Better just sit there. Yeah, 134.21. Savage does it a different way. I do the uncle special differently than Savage does it. I would say follow the way that he does it though. Apple. Another 1 hour squeeze. Looking for a break over 134.25 for calls. Price target equal 135.2. $136. 137.86. I think is what that says. 06. Well, no, it's crazy. I'm gonna be with GD next week. We're gonna be at the beach. It's gonna be hype. Huh. Hold on. It's funny because every time one of the fake accounts pop up, for some reason fake accounts will DM the other admins in Team Bull and we'll take a screenshot and just be like, hey, how are trades? The little scammy message that they send all the time. But I don't think GD wants me to say. He wants to keep it low-key, which I respect. But we're gonna be doing we're gonna be making some videos together. It's gonna be fire. Anyways, there's no point of me trying to grow a $200 account. It just wastes my time. There's a reason why people who actually like trade for income, there's a reason why they don't do small account challenges. It's because it takes away the money that they could be making just trading normally. You know what I mean? Like, yeah, it's cool to see somebody grow. Like right now, yes, I'm trading on a small account, but that's for different reasons. And it had $6,600 already in it, right? So I'm trading on the small account to try to stay patient and stay in the winning trade longer. But to try to take a small account specifically to, you know, turn it into 50 grand, 100 grand, that paints the wrong picture to a lot of people who are new to investing. They think, oh, trading is this easy. This guy turned $200 into 50 grand. I'm gonna do it. They come in, they blow their account. So not only would I be missing out on opportunities, it's painting the wrong picture to people. That's why I don't do small account challenges. Yeah, to be honest with you, people can follow me if they like my education. That's the whole reason why I do YouTube. So I can teach you guys. I'm not on here saying, God damn it, Apple. But yeah, I don't see a point of doing small account challenges. Let's see. The more money you have to start, the better it's gonna be, in my opinion. You just gotta work your way up position sizing. Tell me all of my levels broke too. I'm gonna be pissed. Let's see. full transparency. You know that's what we about. If I'm struggling, I'm gonna tell you guys that I'm struggling. I'm very open about my trading. If I make $9 in a day, I'm not gonna sugarcoat it and be like, yeah, I made $6,000 today. I'm gonna tell you, I made $9 and I'm a little irritated about that. So, do I wish we were back to August to November when I was making so much money a day? Because all we were doing was ripping Tesla. Tesla was going stupid. We were making so much money off of it. Do I wish we could go back to that? Of course. I haven't been making money like that this year. Yeah, I've had a few trades and then that magical Tesla trade that happened, but I wasn't proud of that trade. Very open to you guys. That's what it's about here. But of course, all of the levels broke. Ugh, god dang it. We'll find something out. Don't you guys worry. Anyways, so yeah, no, we'll I hate when that happens. We'll look for setups. Don't worry. We'll find them intraday. But I'm still gonna watch these setups because they're still squeezing. So we need 25 more likes. We need 25 more likes if you guys want me to drop the watch list in the chat. In the meantime, type out any questions that you guys may have. Any questions while we wait for the 150 likes, and then I will drop the watch list. Did Facebook break or no? Meta. It's not. It's about to. It's close. I think oil is going to pull back. How do you work out negative trades to profit? You don't. You take the loss. There's no, for some reason, newer traders, they have such a huge reason, or not a huge reason, but a weird reason to not accepting a loss. I don't understand. You're going to take losses, right? There's no, you can't come in and say, oh, I'm at a loss. How do I make it green? You take the loss. If you're day trading, my stop loss is negative 20%, negative 20, 25%. You can skew the risk reward in your favor depending on where you enter. If it hits the stop, then get out. There's no point. How is the Twitter account? Yeah, I hit 8K. But just take the hit. There's another trade. If you follow your trading plan and it hits your stop, you're done. Simple as that. We're almost to the like goal. We need 6 more. Yep. Again, you got to position yourself in a way that you can take the hit too. That's the other thing. A lot of people like start crying that they lost 20%. If you tell yourself that you're willing to lose that much, it should be no surprise if it hits your stop. One more leg, we're close. I don't know what oil is going to pull back to. I really don't know. Why does stocks got to do this to me? Meta might be the one. Oh, we had a nasty divergence on the 1 hour too. Buy, 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 buy. Squeeze fired up. Disciplined trader is a good one. All right, let me drop the watch list for you guys. Even though the levels are broken, I'm still going to be watching the same setups, and I'm going to be adding meta. The one thing I would say, if you're a new trader, really learn how to read the tape. I would say that's probably the first thing you should learn to do, is reading the tape. Level 2, time and sales. Obviously, I'm gonna watch SPY and QQQ, but Grizzly just went full DJ mode. Let's see. What is GME doing? Doesn't look that bad over yesterday's high. What's he watching? 128? Pre-market highs. Yeah, so basically 128. Cool. Like I said, actually, let's add Meta to the watch list now. Meta. Like I said, I am more interested over yesterday's high on Meta. Meta interested over 166.754 called. Price target equal 169. 170. 171.5. Cool. All right, that's the watch list for today. Again, if you guys have not, make sure that you guys go cop the new ebook. I know all of you have not. I also guarantee you that not all 180 of you are subscribed to the channel, so make sure you guys do that as well. But as always, quick disclaimer, I'm not a certified financial advisor. Everything I talk about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment. So as always, make sure you guys do your own proper due diligence and use your own proper risk management, because you can lose more than the initial investment. Again, I'm not held responsible for any lost funds, but it's running up today. As always, I wish everybody the best. If you guys are not in the Discord and you do want to join the Discord and get my live alerts and chill in live chat with me, I'm also going to be doing a webinar today at 12 p.m. Eastern time. Make sure to join the Discord. Other than that, follow me on Instagram, and I will talk